Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to play and pause the song on your headphones Bose QuietComfort 25. So to play and pause the song you should use the cable what you receive in the package, and this cable have 3 buttons, so just press one time on the middle one to play and pause the song. Do it one time to play a song, and now if I press one time more I will pause the song. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.